Again, the Euro Aussie, like Eduardo was saying, Eduardo took this trade last week, but the structure point is 133.09. Our short point was 133.09. So in our selection, the short point and the structure point are one and the same. It is now trading at 130.03. So you had about 300 pips on that trade. This was our selling point right there, and the 3 continuous days that followed was a magnificent day to the downside, selling to the downside, and we are pretty much going to test the all-time historical low, and this here is the all-time low. $129.27. Okay, now this close is a little bit disconcerting. I'm not particularly, it is good, it's everything. I mean, I'm still going to go to the short side, but I want to be very careful with that because it closed at the, it's a squeeze close, okay, and therefore I need to be cautious in my entry. I still want to be short, I still want to take it short, but as I said, this is a squeeze close. I don't have any sell signal even looking at the daily chart except the low of the day, so that's what you have to take. And but saying that, we will have to use a big stop. Our stop is going to be above the 130.70 because there is nothing but air. If I go short here, there is nothing but air. This is the beginning of any resistance, if you will, and it should be, to be honest with you, I'll put my stop above the market side, which is the 130.98. So I'm going to go short below 130.03. No, 130. Let's make it 130 even, because just 2 ticks are below this one. My structural point, short point, is the 129.27. Right? And if I take it short, as I said, I'm placing my stop above 130.97, which is the market side. If I'm going to go long, if I look at the intraday chart, there is nowhere, just looking at this, nothing, nowhere that gives us any buy signal. This is just a capitulation right there. But see 131 here. Okay, this is an, yeah, we can do that. We can take it 130.104. So this is actually a pretty decent buy. So we are going to buy it right above there. That's going to be our buy. And if I do, then I'm going to use a very tight stop. I'm going to use the 138.60 as my stop. My stop here. Okay, so my buy is above 131.10, 131.04, and my stop is going to be 130.60. Right, and my structure long is the 132.27. Okay, so this is the Euro Aussie. We're going to buy it above 134.10, and if we do, our structure point is 132.27, and if I do, I'm putting my stop. That's the wrong stop. This is one. My stop is 130. So my stop here is 130.60. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 130, which is the low of the day. And if I do, I have the structure point is the all-time historical low. This is as low as it has ever gotten, which is the 129.27. So I'll go short, and I'm going to place the 130.60, which is 60 pips, as my stop again. So the 1360 is my stop on either side of the trade, long or short. Okay, that is the Euro